Yo, guys, welcome back. Happy Friday. We had a normal You Choose the Trade Friday set up today, and Bitcoin had a different plan. Right before we were going live, Bitcoin breaking out here. We do see it settling down perhaps a little bit, but big stuff. We're going to go over all this in the live stream. We are going to do some live leverage trades, but Bitcoin right now at a new 2023, a new yearly high, breaking through April 14th high of like 31.2. We are seeing some spice, guys, so get hype. Get ready. We just had the hourly close. That's not a great omen, actually. Not a great omen. We had the hourly close. This is going to be the highest hourly close of this year, and things are looking really great. Maybe not for my shorts, but they're looking pretty great outside of that. Let me get my compass, my bearing here really quickly, and we're going to jump right into it. Smash the likes, the subscribes. Let's add our new yearly high. 31.4 on Coinbase, taking out the previous high. Right back here at 31,050. Nice. That is a decent take. I like the hourly close above it. I'm not loving, though, that we had a solid candle hourly close. Now we're seeing some red. Might see some downside in the short end here. Let me turn on the tunes. There we go. Things are looking good. We have a poll going. You're going to choose my first trade of today. We're going to go over the trades I have open. I did close most of them that we opened last, I think it was Friday, in profit. We took mostly longs. We had some shorted, stopped out, whatever. And net, we're definitely up, and my longs are flowing. The shorts are looking a little bit more grim. We're going to update you here. Smash the likes and subscribes. Let's get it hyped. If you haven't been here before, join us. We're here live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, giving you not just live trades, but the cutting edge of technical analysis. We are the home of crypto. And it's good that you're here, that you found your home. It's a good one. Let's do really quick. Let's pull up the live trades I have. And let's also start with this. Pinned to the top of the chat, we have a competition, a trading competition by Fair Desk. It has over $2,000 in prizes up for grabs. Check out the terms in the link. You have to click participate here via that link pinned to the top of the chat. That's also in the Discord if you miss it here today or you're watching this later live. Whoo! That's some candles. We got some candles going on. Let's see what we got. See what we got on Fair Desk. We see a high 31.2, a little bit muted. Here are the trades I have open. We have two accounts that we're trading on. We are still net long. You can see our shorts here starting to get in trouble. I don't have a stop loss on them at the moment as I'm still net long. So even if these liquidate, we're still technically profiting a little bit, though I may in this episode decide where to slap that stop on. The other account here, you can see this is a little more heavily long, up $2,200 on the long, down 160 on the short. That entry was primo. I really don't want to close it, but we might end up having to. I am going to look to add a little bit to that short at 32,000 if we get there. It isn't quite there yet, but things are pretty well positioned here. We got a long from down low and a short from up high. On Femex, so shout out to our sponsors. Sign up using my link for some exclusive bonuses. Femex and Fair Desk, great exchanges. You'll see me trading on them live here today. This long been open all year. Now up $4.4 thousand. That was opened and still open from 16.5. Pretty wild stuff. I've realized $3,000 on this trade, and I'm honestly not sure where I'm going to look to close it. It's up $4,400. It's pretty tempting. That's a solid 530% on that long. I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's go. Let's go. We have a vote going. 128 votes. We need 300 votes for the first one, so keep voting. Put in your opinion. Let me know, and we're going to take that trade for you. I don't care if it is bad or good. You guys did pretty well last stream. Let's see if we can top it this stream, actually. Let's show the fallout from those. Let me see. Are these it? No. They're down here. closed positions. I'm having trouble finding them right now. Either way, I think this is most of them. Are these old? Yeah, we'll figure that out later. We'll figure that out when you guys come up with a new trade for me. So let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Let me get my bearings for the day. I did not necessarily expect this to happen on Friday. Maybe more of like a Thursday thing. Or not Thursday. Sunday night thing or Monday morning thing. Bullish engulfing for this month. Sitting at 29,250. If tested, likely a solid place to look for a bounce. We do have an order block on the monthly, and that's between 17.2 and 29.2. Maybe in July, if we see a pullback, that wouldn't be a bad place to look to go long. Looking at our chart here, 45.5, nothing really changed. All-time high at 69 on the dot. Love it. We have a pretty large fair value gap sitting right here, and that is basically, we are pushing into it right now from 31 all the way up to 45.5. Likely, if June closes up here, we are going to see into the rest of the year a move towards 45.5. I have been looking on this channel, I've been very public, for 48K since the start of the year. It's gotten a little sketchy, but it does seem like we're still on course. I like it. Q2 of 2023, or as we like to say in the optimism crew, this would be Q10 of the 2021 bull run. We're in the 10th quarter here, and we are looking to close green after trading red in the middle in May, basically for an entire month, now above 28.2, 28.3, and we have a green quarterly candle. Bitcoin looking to set up its second green quarterly in a row. Interesting kind of comparison. In 2019, we saw 2 green quarterlies in a row before pulling back. I guess that actually happened here in Q3 and 4 of 21 as well. 2 green quarterlies maybe hasn't been the best sign in the past, but something tells me that this is moving in a new way. I don't think it's different this time, but it does seem to be moving a little bit differently. Solid week here, 20% up. With 2 days, 8 hours to go, basically going to be looking for a close above 30.3. That's going to close a higher weekly. And what happens to this chart if we do? It starts to look a lot like that previous move back here in March, where we moved up, pulled back to 19.5, ran to a higher high, starting to look very, very similar. We've been watching the 200 weekly moving average this week, blasting through it, showing strength. Gotta love it. Absolutely gotta love it. You have to. It's not a choice. We do see on the weekly, and you're going to hear this here first. On the weekly, after taking the 200 back, we have the 50 weekly chilling down here at 22.5 that has begun to curl up, and these two moving averages are going to begin to signal a golden cross on the weekly. I don't think this has ever happened, as we've never had a death cross on the weekly until February of this year. So this is going to be, let's see if we can even estimate roughly when that'll happen. This will be a historic Bitcoin first. Let's zoom in and use our little cheater tool. Now this is just a way to approximate it. It certainly in no way guarantees it, but in the past we've seen these be pretty close. We've seen these come in pretty close. Wow. That is going to take a hell of a long time, isn't it? Something like that. Basically, the 50 is going to need to be pulled up even more, and with a strong weekly close this week, that is looking likely. You can see the gradient here takes quite a long time to intersect with the 200. So to me, that means it either isn't coming right away, or we're going to see this 50 curl up more. And of course, with this strong weekly close, that is very likely, or that becomes more probable as the weekly closes and moves higher. At the moment, without the 50 moving, we're going to be looking at the end of the year for this bullish cross, or this golden cross on the week, the first one ever. Let's mark this on our chart here. First weekly golden cross ever. Let's move that to the middle. There we go. Potentially. Coming in on the 4th of December, I like it. We see the 100 weekly above us at 32.7. That's likely a pit stop, or likely going to find some kind of resistance there. It does even line up really well with kind of all of 2021's highs or lows. pulled back into this 31, 32 range before dumping, testing it as resistance and falling below the 200. So unlikely a breeze through there, unlikely. But whew, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Weekly money flow rolling over from the bearish side to the positive side. We see VWAP up and momentum pinching. That's a first. We have not seen positive money flow on the weekly, except for right here in April for some reason as we pulled back. Very counterintuitive. Let's go down to the day. I'm liking the condition of the week. It's the first time I've said that, I think, in like a year. Daily also giving us signs of rolling over. We see higher VWAP highs, higher momentum, and money flow reaching down to that zero line. I like it. All right, I'm about to drop the real alpha on you. I shared this in the Discord. Highly recommend you join the Discord. Lots of alpha drop there that you won't get on the lives. Actually, wait. I want these on the weeks, but not on the days. There we go. Okay. Lots of alpha. If you looked at the thumbnail really closely today, you probably noticed something. It was supposed to be a little Easter egg. Pointed this out earlier. Shout out to Monkey for putting me onto this. So we have something really interesting here that I wanted to show you guys. Looking at price action from February into March, we saw a high, a higher low, a higher high, and then we saw those kind of lows collapse onto that 200 daily moving average. If I pulled up right there, we found support. We were talking about potentially finding support again there. We came just shy in our pullback on the 15th, but here's the spicy. We have pretty similar price action where we hit a high, we move up to a higher high, so we have like 1, 2, 1, 2. And then this is admittedly different, but we saw a pull back again and a move up. So we have a lot of similarities here, and the clutch for me that I kind of realized this morning is right here. As we rebounded from that low and retested our range highs, we had one day where we pulled back. We had a small muted red day candle before moving higher. We closed a bullish engulf. Whoa. We closed a bullish engulf back here, and we moved to a higher high. Now, we're looking really similar here with yesterday's red candle right at our range high. Today, we had an explosive move I did not quite expect, but bullish engulf and close here today is going to make this chart rhyme really well. We see a very brief breather at the top of the range before moving higher. Fingers crossed, that's what we're seeing here. The farther we push up in June, the more sexy this 2-month candle or this second quarterly candle is going to look, and I'm liking what we're seeing here. All right, we have 220 votes. We just need 80 more. It looks like everyone wants me to go long. We'll wait till the last 80 votes get put in before we look for our next position. I'm actually going to move to a different chart again. There we go. I even had a few trades set up on the Discord earlier on a live stream that we just had up there, kind of AFK stream. Long is good, but that's not what this is about. Let's see. This is definitely related. So let's look at Bitcoin dominance here while we wait for those last 60-ish votes. Bitcoin dominance rocketing past that 50% mark. We did talk about how 50% is a psychological level, but not a real resistance, and Bitcoin seems to agree. Dominance has been front-running Bitcoin's moves. Pay attention to dominance, even if you don't think it's a valuable metric. Each time we've seen dominance break its high and move higher, Bitcoin has followed in price. So this is a potentially front-running signal, or long signal, up signal, whatever you want to call it. Dominance is rocketing. We won't get into the implications of that today. We talk about it a lot, but it does seem to be moving up into our retracement range, our 0.5 to 618 level. A high, we've been saying about 60%, right from where it fell in March of 21, around 60%, just high 50s. That is likely going to be a pretty fancy place or timing to look to take alt positions. This has been a great metric so far. It wasn't really great for the last 2 years, but now it's finally shining again, and I'm very happy about it. Dominance pushes higher. I believe it hit 52% today. Dominance is a calculated metric, so it's bounces around a little bit. 51.95. Things are looking solid, continuing this uptrend. Pretty spicy here. GBTC, or Grayscale's Bitcoin, breaking past its yearly highs as well here, trading up to, looks like $19 on Grayscale. It did fill its gap from June of 22. It does have another gap above it at 23 up to 24. This is looking good. I'm liking it. I'm liking what we're seeing here. I'm going to get rid of this. No. Yeah, let's just get rid of all this. Let's replace and hope that we have enough votes to go. Lift my spirit. Daily order block below us. Not a bad place for support, just at 30K. Okay, we're gonna get into low time frame here. Lots of potential. There's lots of potential resistance that we broke through pretty much all at once. I'm liking it. I'm gonna go down to the lower time frames. While I've been talking, Bitcoin on the 5-minute looks like it has kind of taken a breather on the 5. Not a double top, but close enough here. Little red candle coming in. Let's start from the 1 minute. 1 minute, showing some weakness here. We had a clearly defined uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. It does look like that broke here with the third test of 31.4. 1 minute is looking to roll over. Take a little breath here. What about the 5? 5 minute, pretty clear uptrend though. VWAP maybe mirroring the same thing. Let's go to the 15. VWAP at 0. Momentum pinching. Are we going to go higher? I don't see higher at this moment. Maybe we went live at the worst time. Coming back down on the 30. Hourly is a little better. All right, so these low time frames are kind of looking to roll over, but the hourly is holding a strong trend here, and you're really going to hope to see that on the 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Little bit of a bummer. The 2 hour needs more upside to hold on to this uptrend. The 4 hour, though, pretty clear up here as it's pushing to a higher high on money flow. Momentum is moving back up, and VWAP. Everything's kind of in alignment on the 4 hour. I like that. I'll take it. I'll take it. Nice. Oop, wrong button. All right. Okay, Ichimoku cloud on the 5, still in trend. 1 minute, of course, is going to be under trend, yes. 15 minute might be looking for 30,000.7. We see the Kaijun chilling there with a flat cloud, kind of snakish cloud peeking out. Seeing a lot of agreement at that 30.7 mark. Not a bad place to look to go long if you catch it. Every time frame. Pretty much every time frame from the 15 up to the hourly looking at 30.7. Not a bad spot. Not a bad spot for a position. Something like this. Take that. 2 hour right there. 4 hour a little lower, but well within our stop. 30.5. Well, I like it. I like it. So I didn't love what we're seeing on the lower time frames, but when we go to like the 1 minute here, very zoomed in, we do see a potential flat top forming. So I think you can do something like this, not financial advice, but basically just targeting that previous low, playing and hoping you get these higher lows into a flat top and a move to the upside. The thing I like potentially about that, though, I probably won't be taking it unless we get 8 more votes. If we get 8 more votes, I'll take this trade right now. Do it. 7 more votes. Let's go. Get the likes and subscribes hyped up as well. You choose the trades here. You can make me lose money. That's right. 296. We need 4 more. 4 more votes. 4 more, and we'll do it right now. I'll take this one. Okay. I need to refresh. These candles are not good. 309 votes. There we go. We'll put the next one up soon. Keep voting anyway. Just don't stop. Don't stop. All right, I'm going to take it. We're going to market it. 005. Let's do this. We're going to stop loss just below this low. Let's take 29.99. 29. Wait, no, not 29.99. 30.99. All right, gonna market this long boy right here. Boom. Stop right there. I don't love that stop. I might move that down. Minus $7. Let's get a little balls here. Let's do like 8, 9. There we go. Done. Woo. Sinking in. Sinking in. Oh, wow. Chat, no, chat. How could we do this? I literally was just saying their short time frames are pulling down, and then I did it. We'll see how that goes. Let's close that poll up. 346 votes. Let's start the next one. Next live trade. Long, short. Let's do 300 votes again. There we go. There we go. Let's get the votes up again. You can make me go long into this again. We'll see. I'm Hero Short Tom. Woodoo Heck. What's up, Captain Gary? Speaking of Captain Gary, but not really. Speaking of people, now that I've had a minute to get into the jam, let's see who's here. If you're here today, let me know. Put something in chat. Say hello. Say happy Friday. Say whatever you'd like. I don't really care. Keep voting so we can open more trades. Let's see who is here. I see Arun Sharma. What's up? Bad Baptist. Captain Gary. Carthago Delinda Est. What's up? Daily dose of compilations. Ooh, what kind of compilations, buddy? Donato Cabrera. What's up? Felix. Giorgio Cohen. Gregzilla, my man. How you doing, Gregzilla? You ready to watch me lose some money? That's right. Itadaki Masuso, my man. It's Autopilot. I see a lot of good names here. Oh, no, we're wrecked. We're wrecked. You guys wrecked me. It's all your fault. It's your fault. Don't get stopped. Nah, stopped. Womp. Womp. Our low time frame analysis is playing out. Womp. We got to get more votes so we can get another trade going. That one is wrecked. What's up, Baja Crypto? 88 Ace. Good to see you, my friend. Adilit Bagashev. Betley. Brandon F. Brucey. How you doing, Brucey? Georgetown Felix. There's Felix and Georgetown Felix. You guys should be friends. Hugo Boss, Giorgio Cohen, I got that one. Joey Freedom, Jonah Plainclothes, my man. George Manriquez, Moggy Games. Love you, Moggy. Mega Art, Mr. Investor. Nate, how you doing, Nate? We're longing into the blood, not financial advice. Let me lose money so you don't have to. Nix, NBF Forum, Olix. Ordonez Official, Owen Terry, Peter Holder. Prolific Joints, my man. Let's get 420 likes so we can blaze it. It's Friday. We need our 420 license. Puneet Singh. Ooh, lots of names. Sam Naglayor, Savior-esque. Shep. What's up, Shep? I messaged you earlier. The Pickle, our man, The Pickle. TJ Dari, The Official Hilton. Tonzi Norman, Ultimate Finish, and Vesemir. Mr. Vesemir, how are you feeling on this rally today? Little Friday rally? Little Friday rally. 125 votes. Keep the votes coming. Let's get more trades open. We're going to miss it. Are you not entertained? This is the original home of the You Choose the Trade stream. It will catch on. It will catch on. People will steal this concept from us. They steal everything from us, but it's okay. Mog's definitely the queen. Amen. What's up, David Brum? How you doing, man? Let's go. We already lost one trade. Let's get the next one in. 66% long. 138 votes. We need mad more votes. What's up, B Scruff? How you doing, dude? Run you like the light gang. We need the light gang in full force. What's up, Gilly Boy? Gilly Boy. Pro Noob. What's up, man? Ah, Shep, you're in Bali. Cheers. Cheers, cheers. Sup, Craig Bowen. Hi, Tom and chat. What's up, Her Lippy? How you doing, man? Bury the rave. You was right, dump. All right. Should have voted dump. Told you it's Friday. Mega Art told us it's Friday, and he was correct. You voted long, but you shorted, James. That's fine, guys. You are allowed to try to get me wrecked. That is part of the spice. That is the You Choose the Trade live stream. That's part of the spice. 420 time, 3 days off work. Hell yeah, Pegless. Stop below 30.7. It's a nice spicy Friday. That is right. This long still jiving. This short still alive. I'm not feeling great about the shorts, though. Not feeling great about the shorts. What's up, Lawrence? I'm chilling, man. Live early for the spice. Bitcoin breaking a new 2023 high just this morning. That's right. Not quite to 32K, but blasted past 31 on a Friday. Did it not on Friday last week go up? Are we getting Friday pumps now? That's interesting. The Candle Mafia can't hang with the degens, says Petey. They're welcome to hang with the degens. You took profit from 25K, accidentally scaled up too much. Entry's now at 29. Could be worse. Could be worse. 30K big resistance. We already broke 30K. Here for the algorithm. Thank you, Oscar. I appreciate you. You demand. You demand. Who else is here? 188 votes. Just a few more to get another position going. It's time to close positions. Time to go drinking and spend time with your family. Big money going to sell. Let retail hold. They'll come back on Monday, says Megart. It's not the worst advice. It's the weekend. Enjoy it. Janix, you voted short. Don't blame me. I won't blame you. You weren't trying to... No, you guys, I'm just playing. You can vote whatever you want. I do not care. My goal here is to entertain, but my goal is also to show you that maybe there's more to trading than simply choosing long and short, because maybe I can make it successful. We'll see. Respect the pump. That's right. That's right. Oh, man, look at this. The long position I put on the chart earlier, just shy. 30,680. 30,650 was the long entry, did not fill. Wrecked. Wrecked. This one got wrecked. It's okay. The stop was so tight it barely mattered. So our flat top pattern out the window here, as we were literally just talking about. Let's check this dump damage. 1 minute. Minutes ago, we said the 1 minute looking to roll over. It dumped. This was our signal. Our signal was we had a high. We broke our previous low. We failed to set a new high. That's a 1 minute rollover in the making. It played out seconds later. Let's go to that 5. Interesting. 5 not as concerned with this pullback. Money flow actually hitting a higher high. That's not expected. I did not expect that. 15 unfazed, but 15 was already looking for a pullback. 30. Interesting. I like 45. Getting sneaky here. Hitting a lower low. Not the best. Not the best. 45-minute kind of signaling maybe a lower high scenario for that rollover completion. Completion. It's Friday. Make sure that you trade to completion. I think we get a little bounce. All right. From that bottom wick. Let's do it like this. From that bottom wick. Seeing that 0.5 right at 31. Damn, I wish you guys would vote faster. Should have voted for short right here. Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. Man, that is not a big response. But looking at the 5 minute, we do see this little order block right here. Liquidity engineered, grabbed, closed longs, open shorts. I think we look for a retracement back right about here. Problem is, seeing a lot of potential lower high on our indicators. This is market cipher B. Let's actually do it a little different. I'm gonna play with some LuxAlgo today. I'm gonna play with some Lux. Here we go. Right there, 31,250. Coming back down. 244 votes, guys. Let's get 300 so I can slap this long position on. Right there, 30,006. I'm going to slap that long. See some order. This is live order block data. We are seeing some support right here at 30.6 on the dot, right around our entry. Little support at this 1 minute wicked candle. Coming back down. Ooh, getting heavy. Getting the heavies. Really muted push on the 5-second time frames. Muted high, pulling back down. We do have a green dot, but I'm not going to trust that on a 5-second chart. See the 15. 15 coming back up. VWAP. All right. All right. All right. And second. Lower high in that money flow. Moving back up. Here. Oh, yeah. Right there, right at that 618. You guys should vote short so I can take a short there. 262. We need just a few more votes to open this next position. Just a few. We're schlonging it. We're so schlong. We're so schlong. So schlong. The 30 and 30.3 and the 31,000 limit order shorts we got in on the last stream. Man, they were sitting pretty. I even said in the Discord, I was like, I really want to close them, but you can't give up a position like this. And that's not true. You can. You can. I'm just not perfect. That's also something I hope you guys can take away from these live streams. We like to have fun here. We do some serious analysis, but I'm not perfect. And I never want you guys to think I'm perfect or that I never make mistakes or I'm always right. Sometimes it seems that way. It's not true. I lose trades, and I want you guys to see that. It doesn't matter how good of a trader you are. The best traders in the world lose trades. And they lose trades regularly. Regularly. It's part of trading. Interesting. Well, change of character maybe flashing here. That was that order block. Just a second ago, we saw price tap it. Hopefully it pushes through. 1 minute showing a little upside now. I'll take it. I think that the doodle is on. Do we have enough? Do we have enough? Do we have enough votes? 281 votes. We just need like 10 more. We need about 15 more. We can do it right now. I don't know how many people are watching. Because I'm in the zone. I'm trading in the zone. Great book. Great book. We got 530 viewers, guys. Let's get these votes up. We only have 200-ish likes. Let's get 420 likes right now. We're about to open a new trade. 285 votes out of the 300. And you guys are leaning long again. I'll take it. If we get this right now, we'll do a twofer. I'll do a twofer if we get this one right now. We're not going to get it right now. We'll do a twofer, though. 31-1. 31-150. I hear subscribers subscribing. 31-150. That is such a tight spread. Such a tight spread. We got 300 votes. Let's market it. Oh. Boom. Let's see. I'm going to also put this trade down at 30. It's a twofer. I told you it's twofer. 30. Was it 3,600? Let's find where my stop might be. Keep smashing the likes. Keep engaging with the live stream. No. Okay. No. That's a little wiki. It's a little sus. Like 30.4. Let's say 1. Let's do that. Take it. That's a twofer. That's a twoski. Let's get back to the chart here. Gonna get another poll open. Long. We're now 2 longs deep. Is it a long kind of day? Kind of wish it was short. Nah, I'm just kidding. We got subscribers coming in. Welcome to the original channel where you choose the trades. You can come watch me lose money live. All you have to do is vote whether you want it to be a long or a short, and then I do it. Right here. Live. Make sure you smash the likes and subscribes as I'm losing money here. Next trade, let's do 350 votes. 2 long. 0 short. Open. 2 long, 0 short. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, that's going to be snarky. Don't love it. Really quick, guys, make sure you sign up for Fair Desk and enter the trading contest. It is pinned to the top of the chat. $2,000 in bonuses. All you have to do, read the terms on this page, but you have to be signed up under my link. It also helps support the stream, and you get some sweet bonuses like deposit bonuses, etc. Maybe trading fees. I don't know. Sign up using my link, and then you can enter. Let's Let's go back to that 1 minute skis. I'm not loving that. I'm not loving that. LuxAlgo providing our real-time order block data and identifying chart and identifying patterns on our chart. Let's get a clean one. There we go. I gotta get off this 10-second chart. The much more respectable 1 minute chart. We see a LuxAlgo identifying a change of character here. This is going to be potentially breakout trade level. We will see. 1 minute got heavy again. 5 minutes getting heavier. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Our trades may not be as wise as we expected. 2 hours getting heavy. I hear subscribers. Who subscribed today? If you're out there and you haven't subscribed, join our fam. We are the home of we are the home of crypto, but we're also the OG first. You choose the trade channel, interactive live trading. Come help me lose money or make money, whatever. Doesn't matter. What's up, Faraz Khan? Subscribed today. We got Yugen BK, Martha Kamu, Siyohi Akazawa. Probably butchered that. Jackson Reeg, Dystro, Crypto Jaeger. I love it. And Moggy becoming a bro again. Love you, Moggy. Keep subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. We're racing Bitcoin to 100K, and at this pace, we're winning, and we can win with your help. That's all we need. That's all. Let's put this on. So where we're at right now, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Lower time frame still showing us some heaviness. We do have this order block that has been tested. It's been tested, baby. Liquidity swept. That's right at our 0.5 retrace. A bounce from here, I will say in Bitcoin, I don't often see it. I don't see the 0.5 retrace bounce, but a bounce from here, from the 0.5, typically you see very strong bounces from a 0.5 if it holds. So this actually might be decent. Might be decent here. Shooting lower, 30.5 is our 618 golden pocket retrace, which also lines up with this lower high resistance we saw back here on the 23rd. Very, very, very close. 30.513, 30.498. Close, close. Just out of reach. 1 2 minute kind of rolling over. 3 minute, weirdly holding that high. VWAP coming back up. Momentum maybe pinching here soon. 4 minute. Ooh. 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 I like this. I like this 10 minute here. Pushing a new high. VWAP maybe showing signs of exhaustion. Starting to lose the gradient. We see that very often before the roll over from bearish to bullish, bullish to bearish. What is up, Peaky Leaky Trader? I love that name. And Tarm in all caps. You guys, the OGs. Make sure you join the Discord. Join our fam. Peaky Leaky Trader. All right. Keep voting. How many votes do we have? We got 150 votes. We're going to go 350 votes for this next one. Long is still winning. You guys are just getting me on that long spree. You know what? I don't hate it. What's up, X Factor? Yo, good Friday. Good Friday to you as well, my friend. Someone whose username is a picture? I have never seen that before. That is quite interesting. What? Your name is that an emoji? A juggler emoji? I don't know, man. Should you buy some Bitcoin? That's up to you, my friend. You have no Bitcoin. Is that Market Cipher? This is Market Cipher. Yes. Market Cipher link right there. We also have LuxAlgo. Another one of my favorite indicators that we're using live here today. It is marking out order block data for us. It's marking out important chart patterns like change of characters. Let's see. Break of structures. Change of characters. Break of structures. We have live order block data being moved around, showing us where orders are visible on the chart. What I don't love is we don't really see anything below us at this moment when we zoom out. We see all the way down here about 30K, that's where we said there's some decent support. We do have a break of structure here right at our high. That shouldn't be too crazy. Man, this is taking its time. What is this? Let's invert it. Inverted does look like it wants a little more retracement, doesn't it? Although not really. Not really. When you invert it, here's what I see. A fall, a rejected high, lower highs, comes down, boom, breaks, both of your lines of support, comes right back to 30.8. This is where you typically look for that rejection. So if we uninvert it, it's actually looking pretty good. It's actually looking pretty good. I feel confident actually in some of these longs from around 38, so we're not too cooked yet. Don't try this at home, kids. But if you do, practice safe risk management. Know what you're betting. Don't bet blindly. That's a fool's game. Okay. All right, okay. 213 votes. Let's keep it going, guys. Long is winning again. We're going to look to place our third long. Candle Mafia. Down with the degens. Wait, is Frankie here? Or this is the second time I've heard someone say Candle Mafia. Oh, there he is. Mr. Frankie Candles is here. I don't know if he's still here, but he is here. He was here. You guys, if you love TA in trading, you should follow Frankie Candles. Dude's, I love him. Great guy. Great guy. Give him some love. Links in the chat. Shout out to my Frankie Candles, man. Love that guy. Love him. What's up, Sravan Kumar? 32K. That is what we're looking at right now. Paul Wood looking for 38K. Maybe a little more on the macro. I don't disagree. Really looking today. If you missed the intro, you missed some alpha. If you missed the intro, that's okay. Honestly, on today's close for Friday, this is all I'm really looking for. Above 30K. You're ready, baby. I'm looking for above 30K. We are right up into this gnarly resistance, right? That extends up to about 30.2. Boom. 30.2 off of a very strong support at 25.2. But here's what I'm looking at right here. If you missed the intro, this is the only time I'm going to go over this alpha again. Off of February, March's low, off the 200 daily moving average, we moved up violently, similarly to this last few days. At the top of our range, we saw one daily candle. One daily candle. Let's clear that up. Where we pulled back. Then this is where the similarity comes in. So this would be yesterday. This would be the day before. Today, all I'm looking for is a bullish engulf close. And then the chart looks eerily like that again. Hit a range low, move up to the range high, spend one day consolidating bullish engulf close, and what comes next? Rally to new highs for the year. I will take it. I will take it. That's the only recapping you're getting. If you want to recap, you have to just go back and watch it. Go back and watch it. 268 votes, 270 votes. Nice. We're getting there quickly. Long still winning. Team Green. What's up, Coca-Cola? What new names are here? Who's joined us? Alex Wells has joined us. Chung D, Coca-Cola, of course. Connor Anderson, Croft Castles. Kryptonium, what's up, my man? Good to see you. Eric V, Essential. Frankie Candles is here, of course. FUD Expert, good to see you. Leonin. Who else is new? James M, good to see you, my friend. Jerome Sheeran. Justin Cashmore. Learning. I saw you earlier, but I don't think I shouted you out. Leopard, loading name, my man. What up? Moss Med. Moss thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe. Enable notifications. Then enable notifications on your mobile device for YouTube or else you won't get them. Raymond Taylor, Alex. Rory the Rollin' Robot. You know, back in my day when I did stuff I don't do anymore, I was rolling robot, if you know what I mean, every once in a while. What's up, Mr. Crypto Bitcoin Charts? Lucky Thoughts. How you doing, bruh? Good to see you. Ryan Christ. Sheepy. Sharavan. I think I got that one. Take the hit. I like that. Tez Dean, the Patriot. Let's go. Let's go. What up, Robert? Let's effing go. Woot. Yo, man. What's up, da? What's up, dog? Like the stream, says Monkey. He's a smart man. Oli Rose, yo. George Uda, man. Sheepy big man. Looking good. Thank you. I woke up like this. I didn't even shower. There is an Amanda. Is there Amanda Hug and Kiss? I'm looking for Amanda Hug and Kiss. Amanda Hug and Kiss. I remember as a kid, I knew a girl named Amanda, and she used to hate that. He like drove her nuts. Drove her nuts. We got the Candle Mafia here. We've shouted them out. What's up, Trader JX? Senor Scoops. +1 for the F-Boy. It is F-Boy Friday, guys. And, you know, while we have a minute, we're waiting. Oh, no, we got 324 votes. Just 25 votes. We don't have much time. 25 votes to the next trade. While we're waiting. It is tradition here on Friday. We have a holiday called F-Boy Friday. And I always very briefly go over it. Here's today's F-Boy Friday. Me, in my younger years, I don't know, I think I was pretending to be Goku. Embarrassing. F-Boy Friday is all about looking backwards at who we used to be so that we can reflect on the things in our lives that we want to improve. For me, I didn't want to be an F-Boy anymore. It is a day to look backwards so that we can then look forwards and decide our futures and what we want of it. Change is possible. We are creatures of extreme power, and our power is through the ability to change our lives and those things around us. And so F-Boy Friday is here to remind us of that. You can be better. I became better. Now I am a crypto nerd. I no longer seek validation through being an F-Boy. Big ups. You're all capable. I don't have the can up here. I also wanted to show you the Blue Raz Trulies, but that'll be another day, I guess. Secret. It's Trulies. 3 more votes. We're looking for a long. All right, boys and girls. All right. Let's go down here. Let's go down here. Where am I going to look? Give me a second. I should just market order it. Let's market order it because we're dicks. That's right where our last order is, though. Let's make this one a tighter. All right, we're going to make this one tighter. So we're going to market it. We're going to make 30, 7.95. We're going to take these lows. This is going to be a really kind of snarky trade. Take profit just under 31.1. 0.05. We're not doing the biggest orders because we do lots of them. Currently, we have a bunch open. I like you guys are getting me longer. Longer. Giggity. Looks like that one's not bad, though. Fingers crossed. Let's end this one. We've got so much more margin. I have so much more margin, guys. Come on. I'm using right now 1,000, 1,300, 1,200, 2,500, 25 plus 6, 3,100 in margin. I have 15,000 in margin. We could do a lot more trades. If you guys have been watching this stream or this channel for years, or even just since the start of this year, you've seen me take this account from 10K to 15K. 50% gain. Pretty good. This year, despite the lack of volatility, here we go. Let's go. Snark boom, chat. Boom. Here we go. 2 W's in a row. Come on. Get up. No, don't you do that. Get up. Another classic on this channel. I like to yell at the candles. Guy yells at candles. Let's go. Let's close 2 wins in a row. Fists up, boys. No, do it. Don't be a bitch. Do it. Don't be a bitch. Oh, you're being a bitch. I said don't be. Chat, yell at the candles for me. Let's get those candles up. Yell at them. Tell them to go up. Tell them down is not the right choice. Am I going to get sniped? We do get sniped. Wait, did it close? What happened? There we go. Thank you, chat. Do it. Say we won't take no No bullshit here. We gonna get that. What the? You went there. You went there. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. I can't even look at it. It just is what it is. Looks like I'm going to say, Chad, that both of those longs, I'm going to say we won them. One of them just closed. The other one should have closed. It hasn't yet, but I think it's about to. He's about to. What a punk. We got 1 out of 2. I'll take it. That's a W. Nate, you're spicy today. Boo. Boo. What's up with this? Those were both W's. So far, we are 2 for 3. I'll say we're 2 for 3 on trades. We're 2 for 3. Next trade, 350. Long. Let's do like long. Short. Gonna mix up the choices here. There we go. Price interacting right now with our live order block data from Lux. Ooh, moving away. We got skunked. That's such bullshit. That's bullshit. Look. I mean, it didn't go much past it, but it went past it. I guess it's because that take profit is a market order, not a limit order. Lame. Oh well, it's still good. We closed one already. Technically 2. I'm gonna give us credit for that because we did get it. Check out the Fair Desk competition. $2,000 up for grabs. Use the link at the top of the chat pinned. I'm going to put it in the video description as well. All you have to do is click participate, sign up using my link, and you will be entered. Check out the terms on that page. Okay, I'll take this on the 1. Little order block here. Right at the previous order blockception. It's not done, says Matthew Hull. It's not done. It's rigged. It's rigged, Connor. It's rigged. Do a short long, says Brucey. All right, a little schlong. I mean, we are schlonged. BTC FTF roved, says XMMGX. That's a very in-depth thought. I appreciate you. Just do an analysis and do what you think, Sean Gamzo. So that's what we always do. Today, we're letting the viewers decide, and then I take what you guys decide, and I make the trades work. It's a flex greater than even trading yourself live, which we've done many, many times. Like I showed my trades at the beginning of the stream. We got these open. You can see this one chat didn't tell me to do this one. We did this one live, 26.5 right over here. We got some more open, 26.7, not quite as good, but bigger position, up 22. I had short live on Friday. That's underwater by a little bit, but you can see I'm still net long on both accounts here. That's the important part. Net long. Wow, that's actually... Let's go back to here. Actually, and I have more trades open as well. This one's up 520%. That's from the beginning of the year. Also taken live. Let's see. Why does that look so strange? So strange, Thomas. So strange. I'm liking the pullback on this hour. We do have something we should be aware of is we do have some big gaps below us. We see order block data here at 30. We see it down here at 28.7. But then we see a pretty big gap, about 2K, maybe 10% down to 26.7. This level is lost. Now, lost meaning not just a tap, but I would say kind of a close under there, maybe something that's more compelling. We're liable to see that 10% drop back to... Wow. This has been a long time, guys. We moved up to 27.6 in March of 23. We didn't break it For almost 100 days, we didn't break that April high. We just broke it today while we're live. Hell yeah. Thanks for joining me today on this spicy live trading day. You choose the trades. I take them. That's how we do on Friday. It's a special on Friday. We got 600 viewers, 343 likes, guys. Can we get some subscribers right now? Like Danny Lenzi subscribed. Lucky Thoughts broed it up again. How are we doing today? Long time no see. I thought you were here the other day, but long time no see. Good to see you, brother. Like Peaky Leaky Trader, my favorite name of the day. Can we get more likes? We got to get 420 to keep our blazing license. More subscribes to help us get to 100K. And we, of course, need votes. We've seen Long winning again. Long. I'm going to make it a bigger Long if Long wins. 51%, 171 votes. Just a few more votes to get the next trade in. We've already taken 3. We've won 2. 1 got stopped out instantly. We have a pretty good record today. It still didn't fill. It got skunked. We're using Market Cipher and LuxAlgo here, helping us paint out the charts. 2 of the greatest tools in the biz. 1 minute, man. 1 minute just is struggling. Ooh, 5 minute catching above the 0 line. I like that. That is a good sign, especially when you couple it with the 15 minute here, hitting a higher high in money flow. VWAP coming up. That's looking like a test of 31.4. You know, because we got skunked here, I'm going to change this up. I'm going to change it up. Let's change up. I'm going to move the stop up here. Let's see. I'm going to move it to 31. Then I'm going to move the TP. I'm going to move it to 31.4. I think we see 31.4. Putting us in a win-win position. We win if it gets stopped. We win if it takes profit. Wait, what? Wait. There we go. Wait. No, that's still not right. What DF? It didn't save. Always make sure. So there's a lot of lessons to be learned here. Always make sure that things are actually confirmed. Always double check. It is always worth it. Do not lose money to sloppiness. All right, that trade. So there, it didn't fill. It should have filled right there, but it didn't. So now we've locked it in. That's a win. No matter what, it's a win. It's just a small win or a bigger win. Good. There we go. There we go. Right here. Right at that 0.5. Come on, bud. Get up. If that gets stopped out, I'll probably reopen it a little lower. I hear a subscriber. What's up, Rafael Fino, Sean Gamzo, Zuniga, Hades. Wow, we got a flood. Hades AJ9199. What's up? What up? Filmy Tem Izaha. You all are OG. You're the MVPs today. Everyone subscribing, you're the MVPs. That's right. Keep them up. Get a shout out. Do it short long, Brucey. Do it short long. 226 votes. Keep them going. You just followed. You like the vibe. Thank you, Sean. We're a chillin' channel. You'll find, while we're very easy to, I don't know. All YouTubers are very easy to say, oh, your content shit. Dude, I don't LARP. I don't do anything. I just share my years in crypto. That's it. That's what we've been doing for 4 years now. I don't pretend to be right all the time. I don't pretend to be the world's greatest trader, but I think I'm all right. I'll let you guys be the deciders, the judges of that. Got 4 years of experience, all recorded live. I don't know. I just stumbled on my words. All right, 15. Not a lot of changes here. Price really chilling out. Just consolidating here. No, 5 second looking droopier. I think we're about to get stopped out on that long. Blasted the highs 3 times, moved down. Kind of mirrored price action here. 1, 2, 3 taps to the high. 1, 2, 3 low taps here. Moved right to the middle of the range, right at the 0.5 retrace. And now kind of doing the exact same thing. And the volatility was really good earlier. There we go. Suresh Meena, welcome to the fam. We now have 600 live viewers. We still don't have 420 likes, guys. It is very important to my 420 license that we get 420 likes today. You can do it. We can all do it right now. If you just pick up your finger, put it on the like button, click it, done. Game. That's it. What's up, Tom G? How you doing, brah? Eli, is that the Eli? I recognize that icon and the name. Dude, you haven't been here in like 3 years. Eli, where you been? This is a random ass time to come back, but we're here. A note for everyone. I highly encourage taking breaks from watching charts. It's not healthy. Let me do that. You live a healthy life. I'll live unhealthily. Highly encourage taking breaks at times. It's good. You need to. But know that we will always leave the lights on here for you. Whenever you come back. Eli, I don't know if I've seen you in like 3 years. 2 years. We'll leave the lights on. We'll be here. What's up, Rockton Road? Legendary. Tom Crown, thank you. We all gonna make it, says Captain Gary. You'll make it if you're here. You'll make it if we're here. If you're here. Because we'll be here. Alright, we closed the hourly. Not actually the selling pressure I looked for. But we are going to have a solid, very short time frame, low time frame, 31.25 resistance here from that hourly close. 15 minutes settled up. Right at the 0.5 retrace. This is obnoxious. Obnoxious. It's going to come down, tap my stop, and then move up again. Isn't it? We caught so much volatility. And it's chilling. Volatility. It's Friday. Welcome to the volatility. We're struggling to get the next trade. We got 281 votes. We need 350. We got 600 viewers. We can do that. We're struggling. We've already opened 3 trades so far. Long is winning, so we're going to do something a little spicier for this one. We're going to make it a little bigger, a little badder. Thanks, buddy. Good to see you, Eli. Love you. What's up, Crimson Caravan? I see you everywhere, dude. Shadow Jacker, you so want to short this. Do you? Do you, Shadow? Do you? Okay. Let me go for it. Do you, right? I got shorts open, baby. We got shorts. 30, 30.3. And we got 30.5. These have been open. They're not feeling so good. I'm not looking to stop them. I'm actually looking to add onto the short at 32. I haven't decided where I'm going. Ooh, that's looking good now, actually. That's looking good now. You've got the fall. You've got the fall back to your 1 minute range high right here. I like this. I like this. I'm glad I moved the TP up. Seeing momentum catch above that 0 line on so many time frames as we go up. Let's go. Let's go. 31.4. Let's go. Let's go. We moved the stop up. We moved the TP up. 31.4. We should have already... Oh, yeah. Look, 31.1. That one hit. That one hit, baby. Our stop loss was not hunted yet. Let's go. 31.4. For a W. For a W. What's up, John Dahan? Shoresh Meena. We've got awesome people subscribing today. Awesome, awesome people. Don't stop. 320 votes almost ready. Nobody does spice like the crown. Thank you, Donald Jackson. We do love spice, man. It's been an unspicy... Well, last year was unspicy. This year's been pretty spicy, but it's been spicy with like long blocks of unspicy. Unspicy. Dude says he feels like it's time to close and chill. Let it settle. What are you closing, dude? Longs or shorts? Go shortong. I'll take it. What's up, Ricardo? Ruva Kaba. Short it, says Robert Louis. Lots of people are saying short it in chat, but they're not showing up with the votes. Longs keep winning. Longs are still now at 69 % on this one. Looks like we can go long again, baby. Oh shit, did I make that way bigger than I thought? Why did this long... Why is that 0.39? 0.39? What? I didn't make that 0.39. Did you guys see me do that? Remember, always double check, triple check your trades. Double, triple, tumble check your trades, man. Here we go. We've got $15,000 of margin to play with. We've already closed some winners today, and we're about to, in 7 votes, we're about to pick our next, looks like a long, bigger long, meaner long, spicier long. Get wrecked, Mr. Tom. I do, baby. You know it. Baby, you know it. Baby, you know it. We get wrecked here. I say that, but then if you go back and watch, if you look at all the trades we've done, there are times when we lose money. I wouldn't say wrecked is fair. I don't think we get wrecked. What is up, Musica TV? Getting in there with the subscription, the subscriber. There we go, 351 votes. We're going long, baby. Long. Let's calculate this out. Let's put our nerd glasses on and let's figure out where we want a long. All right. 39.50, 39.70. Although this is a lower high. What's I need the RSI on here. Where's my RC? Ooh. Actually, no bearish divergence there on this low time frame. Looks like we have a high and a lower high, but we don't have any bearish divergence. We don't see our oscillators getting pulled up higher by that high. In fact, very much no divergence here. $31.50. $31.50. No, come back. Come back. Don't you go anywhere without this spicy long. Don't you dare. We got a bunch of positions open. It is, I will say this is a good way to see how kind of confusing and complex having lots of positions managed at the same time is. I can share my secrets with you on how to make it easier. You can make it easier by understanding what net position you're in. So, am I net long or net short here? I'm net long. I'm 0.3 long, and I'm 0.2 short. So, going up, I can't get liquidated. Going down, I can get liquidated because I'm net long. Spicy. That wasn't as informative as I planned. Not as informative as I planned. All right, moving. 1 minute, still not where I want it to be. I think that long gets filled. Ooh. I might change. We might pivot. All right, so here's what I'm seeing. Get rid of this. Here's what I'm seeing. Order block, move up, retest of that order block. Solid support checked. Right? Lower high. Here's what I'm watching. This low. That's what I'm looking for. Invalidated if our low breaks, if we trade below the order block, so I can probably move my stops up even and get a little tighter. Ooh, nice. That trade filled. The 0.1 filled. Come on back, baby. Come on back. I mean, It technically can go as low as this wick, but once you tap that low again, maybe you get a double bottom. But yeah, you tap that low and you've drained the support there. We're on very low time frames, remember. That long is spicing. Spicing. Hold up. I gotta get the next trade. We have to do 400 votes. I know, we gotta push it to the limit. Let's do. Let's mix it up. I think we have 5 longs. I don't know. Next vote, let's go. 400 votes. Long, short, short, short. Go. Go. Take off. Take it off. Take it off, baby. All right, we got to stop right underneath our 1 minute range right here. We got to stop down here under our fair value gap that we saw from this consolidation. I'll take it. We do have a limit order at 30.6, kind of sniping maybe a quick liquidity sweep of our lows, trying to pick that up. And our short all the way down here at 30. Just suffering. Suffering. We are now 0.4 long and 0.2 short. That's why I put 3 shorts to give it a little fighting chance, hoping maybe you guys want to take a short. It's to keep balance. What I'm doing here by opening shorts and longs and paying attention to my net position is I'm basically trading like a whale. A whale, a big whale, never has just one side of the trade. Never will have just one side of the trade. Why? Because that opens you up to getting completely wrecked. If you're always on both sides of the trade, you can't get completely wrecked. That keeps you in the game. Don't attempt that. Don't attempt that without knowing what you're doing, though, because you easily can lose money. Easily. What are my thoughts on the 4 and 6 hour microdecipher B? Asks Pro Noob. Let's take a peek. Let's take a peek. 4 hour is shaping up. So the 4 hour looked really good. Without even looking at it. In the beginning of the episode, we did do our compass alignment, I call it, where we go through the time frames, get an idea of just the trend, right? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, they were a little janky. They were looking a little weak, but when we got to the 4 hour, I said the 4 hour actually is very much showing us an uptrend. Very strong uptrend. Now, that may have changed, but I doubt it. Here we go. No, did not change. 4 hour VWAP is up. Money flow hit a higher high. Momentum is moving up. It looks good. It looks good. We have a higher low. We're coming off of here into this rally. See that higher low right there? Boop, kicked up. So we were looking at this as well. I don't know if it's marked. There we go. 31,250. We talked about that just a little bit ago. From the hourly, the 4 hour close, we do see resistance there. Unfortunately, we do have bearish divergence forming on the 4 hour on our RSI. Not great. So what this says to me is that we are going to look to roll over in price unless the 4 hour likely closes green here. Unless the 4 hour closes green here and pushes higher. We're going to need to see about 32K, I would say, in price. And RSI above 92. It's possible. That will eliminate the bearish divergence, and that will likely clear us for a pretty slick move. But at the moment, the 4 hour is being threatened by that bearish divergence. You want to also see the 6 hour, right? Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. The 6 hour is even more loaded than the 4. Momentum is pinched. Money flow at a new high. And MACD, all of the signals looking for further upside on the 6 hour. I love it. It has 44 minutes to close. If it gets a strong close on the 6, I would kind of expect the next 6 hour to do some kind of retracement. Maybe 30.8 to 30.5. Of course, it's not guaranteed, but if it does, there may be opportunities to push that RSI up higher, to remove that bearish divergence, and to set the tone. Set the tone. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. This is what I'm looking for. If you were in the Discord, you might have seen me post about this. I literally posted about just this right here. We saw this. and I said, man, we haven't seen this kind of price action in some time. This is on the 5-minute, but this is what you want to see. Really volatile moves, really strong sell-offs, but each time those lows come up, that is money in the bank. You got an early warning if you were in the Discord. Some of you probably remember that. Look at what happened after. Boom. Boom. Pay attention. There we go. 5-minute pushing. Okay. All right. 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 Break a structure right there. A little higher low back test. Let's see if we've got what it takes. Maybe. 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 So much spice, Pickle. It's so much spicy. 180 votes. Long is still winning despite 3 buttons for short. I'll take it. All eyes on Tupac. What? Coins check. Coins check. Where's Coins check? Savvy ditches Amazon chart and started comparing to Nintendo. Well, you know what? When things don't work out, find something else, right? Don't keep following if it doesn't work. Sergio Garris said 10K was a guarantee. Should we rant about bears? I'll start with I respect both Gareth and Savvy as analysts. The guys aren't, they know charts, right? They have experience with charts. They aren't just making stuff up like a lot of people do. But they are guilty of the same thing I am guilty of. They've just picked the losing horse side. I am guilty. I am always bullish. That doesn't mean I never short. Doesn't mean I think price only goes up. Like, of course I short. I've got some fat shorts open right now. Price goes up and down. But I am guilty of I'm a perma bull. They are perma bears, it seems. There we go, baby. 31,250. I have to interrupt myself. This is that 1 hour, 4 hour close. Breaking, closing above. Great setup. I'm guilty of being a perma bull. Here's the thing. In the history, the 14-year history of Bitcoin, being a perma bull has worked out pretty well, right? Pretty well. Being a perma bear in its 14-year history has ended the same way every time and getting wrecked. It's a pretty easy decision for me. Pretty easy, right? Pretty easy logic. Being bullish on Bitcoin is the right side. Is the right side of the trade. This isn't even the whole history. Yeah, it spends time going down, right? But over time, it only goes up. You just have to zoom out. Once you zoom out enough, here's yearly candles. It starts to look very one-sided, doesn't it? Very one-sided. This is Bitcoin's entire history. 1, 2, 3. 3 total years of red. That's it. The rest green. So that's 11 years of green, 3 years of red. Why won't you let me add 120 months, you son of a bitch? I want to do a 10-year candle. If you looked at this as a 10-year candle, it would just be 2 green candles, right? The problem with being permanently bearish is what happens. And we see this happen all the time. Pretty much everyone who's permanently bearish shorted right here. Likely shorted right here. Shorted right here. And guess what? They never got back in. Because when price fell here, they said it's going to go lower. So they shorted all of this. And now here we are again at 31K. And what are they going to say? They're going to say it's going lower. Why? Because they want to re-enter. We just looked at BLX. We just looked at the entire history of Bitcoin. How often does Bitcoin allow those people to re-enter? Here's the answer. Absolutely never. Absolutely never does Bitcoin ever let bears get back in, period. Never happened. The only, I'd say, exception is right here, March 2020. I'd say it's like the only exception, but I think bears were more likely to have shorted there than longed just out of FOMO, fear, greed, whatever. Anyway, that's my short take. That's my short take. They're both great analysts, but they've picked the wrong side of the battle here. Look at that. They picked the wrong battle, man. The wrong horse. When you trade leverage, it's a different thing. Like, you can definitely get wrecked only being long on leverage with Bitcoin. Here's the thing. You don't need leverage with Bitcoin. You literally, the way I started, the way that I grew my wealth from being poor to taking steps up away from that is literally just DCAing the whatever amount I had. I just kept buying monthly. I bought monthly for years until eventually price was higher than my average. And guess what? Then I stopped buying. And then I looked for potential times to shave off little pieces, DCA'd back out. And then every time I sold a piece, what did I do? I took that money and I just put it as a limit buy order lower than my cost average. If it never filled, my punishment was I have to sit with some cash. Oh no. Oh no, I have to sit with some cash. And when they did fill, which only happened a few times really, like March of 2020, I made some sweet fills because my limit orders had been sitting there for years, like a year, 2 years. That is a very solid strategy. It's not financial advice. It's it's what I did, and it worked for me. Doesn't mean it necessarily will work for you, but if you look at the history of Bitcoin, it looks pretty good. The odds are pretty damn good. That's your choice. What I did requires exceptional belief. Exceptional belief that Bitcoin is going to continue. I have no doubt. But that doesn't mean you don't. And if you have doubts, then you need to factor that into what you're doing, into the risk you take on, etc. etc. Did that hit while we were live? It did. I want to say it did. Got a little magnetism here at 36.86. I'm going to change up this order. I have it at 36. I'm going to cancel that. Let's do something like that. There we go. Back to our long entry. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I think our thesis is still strong. Ooh, right under the cloud here on the 1. Feeling good. Our thesis is just bulletproof for these trades. Bulletproof. As long as we don't break our low, we're looking for a move to the upside. So we can reasonably put some stops there, stay safe, and if it trades lower, then we want out anyway. And want out. We got 300 votes. We still need 100 more for the next live trade. We've taken 4 longs. 2 of them we've closed in profit, right? Let me see. 2 of them we closed in profit. 1 got stopped out for a very minor loss, and 1 is still open. We're going to take another one here. We just need more votes. Looks like we're going to close in our 5th long today. The curve over the history is coming close to leveling out. Do you think we're closing Bitcoin top for the next few years? Not really. Curves are bullshit. Just so you guys know. Curves are total bullshit. Don't pay attention to curves. This is total bullshit. What even is this curved line? Right? It's nothing. This is nothing. A curved line. Our scale is logarithmic. So our scale, if you look here, this is 1 cent. That's 4 cents. That's a 4 cent increase. Right here to right here. Roughly the same size box. That's 3,000 to almost 19,000. This is logarithmic. This curve is gibberish. It's gibberish. Curves are not to be respected. If you have a curve on a regular scale, then it can be a little bit better, but it's always going to be like impossible to fit them. Because all of Bitcoin's history is just a flat line. So you could curve it like this, but it can't fit. Curves are bullshit, especially if you're on a logarithmic chart. If you're on a logarithmic chart, it doesn't even make sense. Any straight line on a logarithmic chart actually looks like this, is actually a logarithmic line, because your scale is distorting it. TradingView is doing a great job making that look like a straight line, but in reality, it's not a straight line. Despite it looking like one here. It's not. It can't be. The only way it could be a straight line is if it was like, what, this? Or something? I don't even know how to draw it. Anyway, there's my rant. There's my rant. I think Bitcoin is just starting. Just starting. I'm not worried. But that's my belief. You should not invest based on my belief. You should only invest on your own. Damn. 5-minute lower high here. Money flow is all right, but it needs to break that high for a continuation. I don't love that. Still don't really have any issues here. You had bearish divergence here. Now you're high. Oh, little bearish divergence on the 1 coming up here. Maybe that's that ugly lump. 5-minute no bearish divergence though. You've already retraced. You've already reached into your deep retracement. That's looking pretty solid. That's what I'm looking for. How long did it take me to be comfortable TA? I'll let you know when I get there, man. I'll let you know once I get there. I've been doing this live on stream for 4 years. I did TA probably for like 4 years before that by myself. Probably shouldn't stream TA on your first days of looking at charts. So I'm about 8 years in. I'm still not comfortable every day. There's setups I identify, setups I know and trust, and then there's everything else, right? It is a lifelong journey. Don't let anyone fool you. There's no like being done. The only being done is when you walk away. Both our longs are still up. 2 longs closed in profit, and just 60 more votes till the next position. Till our 5th long, it looks like. Ooh, I missed subscribers. We have Krasson86. Lauren Albert over on Twitch. Shout out to you, Lauren Albert. You can join us on YouTube if you want. Sunny Sai subscribed a little bit ago. If you're out there, guys, smash the subscribe button. Enable notifications. Enable notifications on your mobile device for YouTube. Hit the likes. Vote. We have 420 likes. We have 630 viewers. Hell freaking yeah. We're coming back, baby. We're coming back. We got almost 500 likes. We've taken a bunch of trades live. We're about to take our next one. And so far, we're banking. I'm not going to lie. This is we're the original channel. No one else does this. But there will be copycats soon enough because everything we do gets copied. You notice how this style of shades now coming into style? When I started wearing them, they were really not in style. F-Boy Friday is still waiting to catch on. Still waiting. But it'll get there. But other people will take this format. Because whatever. Because why wouldn't you want to be us? We are the greatest crypto community in the world. Nay, in the universe. And that's because of every single person here. How do we know? Rory, how do we know that the price will become more stable? We don't know that. And honestly, if you really want to know, volatility, high volatility in crypto, in Bitcoin, is almost always at lows, almost always at dump lows. So maybe lower volatility means longer periods of just going up. I don't know, man. Be very careful, fam. Be very careful with assumptions about Bitcoin and its future. Be very careful. If there's one thing Bitcoin has done every freaking year since I've started following it, it has completely crushed assumptions, completely crushed whatever everyone expects. Be careful. see some new names here. Bentley, Dr. Crypto, DS, Duo Vibes Vlog, I Need My COD, James Manford, Justin Chow, Kato Ino joined us, Krasen, of course, joined us, Crunk C, Matthew Hull, Mike Bennett, New Englander FSD, Nick Guerrer, Pepito mi Pepito, what's up, man? Shrump Dump Loot, I don't know, that's a cool name. Sincere Strack Studios and Tom Lidgy. Welcome, fam. Good to have you. Just 30 more votes in our poll and we will open up our next trade. Great time to shill it. Sign up using my link for Fairdesk. Join the trading competition. Ends at the end of the month. There's over $2,000 in prizes. And there are kind of, I think, a few consolation non-winner prizes as well. Check out the terms in the link. You have to click that participate button. It's not enough just to sign up and trade. 200K, maybe 120. I think Bitcoin is going to go much higher in our lifetimes than both those numbers. I'm from the future, Matthew. These shades were not cool when I started wearing them 4 years ago. And now I walk around and almost everyone is wearing reflective blue glasses. And the box frame is coming into style. I'm telling you, man. I'm a trendsetter. If you're looking to learn, yes, Tom G, that's actually really good advice. Get TradingView yourself. It's free. You can get the link if you want to sign up using my link. It is free, but over time you'll want the premium. TomCrown.io, my link's in there. Watch the streams on like 0.5 when I do analysis, so you can actually see what I'm doing. I do it really fast because I've been doing it so long. You need your I need my COD says pump the Bitcoin. We're pumping it, baby. We're about to pump it. In 10 more votes, we're gonna take another long. Gotta bake this turkey? Yeah. Doesn't matter to you. Been here since we started. Cheers. That's why you got to wrench. Did I paper trade? So when I started trading, there really wasn't paper trade platforms available. Now there are. Highly recommend you use them. Hepito says I'm wrong about curved lines. You guys are welcome to have your own opinions. Every curved line I've ever seen drawn on a chart eventually just doesn't play anymore. Also, be wary of how thick your curved line is. What people don't realize when they use these really thick lines is just how much price, especially on a logarithmic chart, that they describe. This curved line here, roughly 28.2 to 30.5. That's a 10%. That's 10%. So, is it correct within a 10% margin? I'd hope so. Gotta be careful. But you guys are welcome to disagree. I'm just giving you my take. Nah, everyone trades different. Everyone's welcome to their own opinion. Here we go. We're gonna set up another long. 411 votes. Looks like we're longing. Longing and longing. Now we're right at the entry of our last long, which makes this kind of like meh. Meh. There's our long. There's our long. Where do I want to... Where would I even look to long? Let's see. All right, we have another pretty clear reversal on the 1 minute. Let's see where this takes us. Yeah, right here. What does it look like from here? 31. Uno minuto. Uno minuto. Ooh. All right, I'm marketing. All right, I'm gonna do this real tight. Real tight. No, don't. I think markets I should always do half size. Yank. Shouldn't have chased it like that, but oh well. Oh, ho, ho. You got 31.20. right. All right. It's in. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's in. Well, it stops at 31, but I really don't want them at 31. Because 30.9 is so juicy. Stopped. Hold up. Take it. Take it. I think we had one stopped out. Yep. One stopped out. Minus 450. The last close was for 8. So we're still up. There we go. I am gone. We've taken 5, 6 longs. We still have a bunch in there. Harmonics killing it today. Captain Gary, what harmonics are you looking at? Crypto Beehive. Bitcoin breaks 31,000. That's first leverage futures Bitcoin. I do believe there are leveraged futures. There's definitely a futures ETF. Definitely. Why do we take that long, Azeribith Bathory? Because you guys voted for it. You voted for it. That's the only reasoning. Only reasoning. The chat voted. And so that's what we did. That's it. That's it. Yeah, we got sniped. We got sniped. It's alright, we're still winning today. We're still up. We're still going. We're still thriving. We have so many random little positions open. I think one got stopped in profit. Son of a bitch. Oh no, wait, it didn't get stopped there. 31. 31. It did not get stopped there. All right. The one that we opened got stopped within like 2.2% or something. What's up? Who's Zafia? Zafar. Subscribing. Welcome. Donnie subscribed a few minutes ago. Awayas Mawson subscribed 10 minutes ago. Lots of new subscribers. Lots of new fam today. I'm loving it. I guess you guys like the new format. The only original channel where you pick the trades and I lose the money. As a ride, boys. That's a right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How long have we been live for? I lose track of time when we do these because I'm very entertained. This is way better than me talking for hours. About 2 hours. That's nice. Let's see. 20 minutes till the hourly closes. 2 hours and 20 minutes for the 4 hour. Not a lot of movement here. The stream opened up with a ton of spice. And now just chilling. I like it though. Lows are holding. This is really similar to some of the price action we saw previously with our lows holding. I don't think the move's done, honestly. I don't think it's done. I just don't know if we'll be live by the time. 5 minutes up. Man, I finagled myself into some more positions. I like it. 5 minutes pinching again on market cipher B. VWAP's coming up. Money flow leading the way, man. Money flow about to hit a higher high here on the 5. That's going to signal farther upside, in my opinion. RSI chilling near the highs, and the subscribers are rolling in. That's right. Well done, fam. You have no issues here on the 15. You have a high, boom. A lower high with a lower high in RSI. You're good. You're gooch. No bearish divergence. That's also what we saw on some of these previous rallies. Money flow on the 30 coming up. Not the best signals outside of that, though. 45-minute looking heavy. I don't know. I'm ready, baby. You're ready. Randy Abigt is broing it up, and he's ready. Jazz Radjim. Spaghetti. Sorry if I butchered that. Welcome, my friend. Jane Abihit. Welcome. Mohammed Hussan. Welcome. Ajum Awi. Hard names today, but great fam, guys. Make sure you join the Discord. We will be doing a live airdrop after the stream of Bitcoin. I'll make you all Bitcoin holders because that's my mission in life. Here we go. Here we go. We've taken a bunch of longs today. Should we take more? Please, sir. $1 million loan, sir. A small $1 million loan. Pretend to end the stream so it comes back. Oh no, I accidentally deleted that message. I'm so sorry. I don't know how or why that happened. GBTC ripping. We looked at that earlier, Tyler, and yes, it is. Breaking a new high. Breaking a new 2023 high. GBTC. Blasting off. I'm looking for 2560. Now, I'll go with 2411 for GBTC. Grayscale's Bitcoin. I wonder what the premium is at now. Let's take a look at some metrics quick. Funding could be better. Funding largely neutral though on a new yearly high, largely neutral. I'll take that as decent. It does lean bullish. But you see negative outside of those kind of neutral fundings. I'll take that. I love CoinGlass. Nice free site. I wish they paid me because I'd promote them, but I don't know what I'd promote. Data Grayscale. Premium rate 34% on GBTC. I think it was much lower than that, was it not? I think it was. Let's take a look at Max Payne. Buy strike price, buy date. 30K Max Payne today. Wow, the very, very good chance of closing above 30K today. That's a huge amount of calls. Right at 30K. Almost certainly looking to close above that today. 30 point. Wow, these Max Paynes moved up a lot. Looks like up till June 30th, Max Payne above 30K, then drops down to 25. 27, 31 by mid-July. This is shaping up. This was not as spicy earlier. 25 in September. 25. 26. 32. Wow, 32 by next year. Okay. What's interesting is that those have actually picked up in volume. They were largely just not really... You just saw really very few options. Looks like traders starting to hedge their bets more. Man, we got sniped. Ugh. What sucks is it didn't even... I don't even think it hit our stop here on Coinbase. There we go. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go. Are you ready? up. Shh. We're hunting wabbits. Quiet, we're hunting wabbits. Don't startle it. Don't scare it. Gotta sneak up behind it. You gotta wait for it. There's a bonus long just for the trolls today. Just for the trollolols. The bonus trollolols. Let's see if those close. They're on 4, 5. Still net long, even if those close. Good. Good, good. Bonus! Bonus round. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fall into oblivion. All right, fam. Let's go. 600 viewing still. Well done. Make sure you subscribed, joined the Discord. Last shill. Link pinned to the top of the chat. I'll put it in the chat. Sign up for Fair Desk using my link. Join the $2,000 trading competition. There are rewards. See the terms and stuff in that page. It's pinned at the top of the chat. I'll put it in the video description. There's a link. It's just money on the table if you're trading anyway. Money on the table. This has been a hell of a spicy stream. It's time for lunch. It's time to celebrate Friday. It's time to celebrate Aluda1907 subscribing, John Hoffman subscribing, Patrick Harbati subscribing, George Katratkakazis subscribing. All the new family members. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming from my longs, baby. Join the Discord to stay up to date with them. Follow me on Twitter. Sign up for our sponsors, Fair Desk and FAMX. Great, great exchanges. I use them every day. I love you, fam. We'll be live Monday, but maybe we'll be live again sooner than that, because if it breaks 31, if it breaks to 32K, we'll be live. I'm going to go grab lunch so I have energy in case that happens today. Here's the trades we took today and the ones that are coming up. I love you all.